Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create a blend playlist on Spotify. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Spotify app on your phone. To create a blend with one of your friends, tap the search icon in the bottom menu. Then select Made for You. Now tap on Create a Blend. Then tap on the Invite button. A menu will pop up. Select any of the messaging app and send the invitation to any of your friends. Once your friend clicks on the link and accepts your invitation, Spotify will automatically create a playlist of 50 songs, blending your two music tastes together. This is your created playlist. Currently, if you tap the story icon at the top, you can watch a story that summarizes and compares your Spotify Wrapped for 2021. This playlist combines your music taste with your friends, automatically creating a playlist with both of your recent favorite tracks. So these are all the things you need to know about creating blends playlist on Spotify. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.